Naniniwala naman si Gilas Pilipinas guard Dwight Ramos na magiging malaking tulong sina Mike Phillips at Benny Boatwright kung sakaling maging bahagi sila ng national team ngayong paparating na July window ng FIBA World Cup 2027 Asian Qualifiers. Yan ang ulat ni Jamaica Bayaka.
Excited si Gilas Pilipinas star Dwight Ramos sakaling makasama sa national team sina Filipino-American forward Mike Phillips at newly naturalized Filipino citizen Benny Boatwright. Matapos maaprobahan ng naturalisasyon ni Boatwright, nagbigay daan ito para maging kwalipikado na irepresenta ang Pilipinas sa mga international competitions. Habang maaari naman ng maglaro si Phillips bilang local player matapos makuha ang kanyang FIBA eligibility clearance noong Pebrero.
Obviously, we'll see how it goes in practice first, but they're two good players with their own skill sets and talents. So I'm just one of the players. So when I show up, I just try and play and fit in my best with whoever's on the court. So I'm excited to see them in practice, and then hopefully they show what they can do, and it'll be exciting.
Posibleng magbigay ng karagdagang option para sa Gilas ang dalawa matapos makumpirmang hindi makakalaro sina Kai Soto at Quentin Meliora Brown sa paparating na July window. Habang hindi pa rin tiyak kung makakalaro sina Junmar Fajardo dahil sa injury at Calvin Oftana na sasailalim sa surgery dahil sa kanyang infected toe. Samantala wala pa ring panghuling desisyon sa final 12-man lineup ang Gilas at inaasahang i-aanunsyo ito sa mga susunod na linggo. Para kay Dwight Ramos na nanatiling nakatuon ang focus ng pambansang koponan sa paghahanda para sa paparating na kampanya kung saan muli nitong makakaharap ang New Zealand at Australia.
We're going into the next window knowing what everyone's going to bring at least, and then if you know what each player is going to bring because we've been together for a long time, and then if somebody's improving, then it only brings the team higher. So at least the baseline level of bringing all the same guys is always going to slowly rise. But as the players improve, then our team is just going to get even more better.
Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino para sa bagong Pilipinas.